Hey everybody, I wanted to show you something. It's kind of late in the season, but hey, guess what? I'm starting to get tomatoes. Here's one. Look at there. Another one coming on. Right here. And I just saw this one. Let me try to find it for you. Where was it? There's a third one. Real teeny tiny one. Shoot. Let me see. Okay, this one's bigger than it was. Hold on a minute. Oh, I just saw it. I've got plenty of blossoms happening. Let's see. See, there's some blossoms. Let me try to find that little one. I know. I don't want to keep you very long, but oh, here it is. I found it. Here it is. Teeny tiny little bitty baby. Little bitty baby tomato. Infant. It's coming on. Late in the season, but hey, I don't care. Look here. These blossoms. Got these pepper blossoms. Oh shoot. There's one. Let's see. There's another one somewhere. Oh, here's one coming on. Let's see. I didn't really think they were going to do anything because of the lack of sun, but they're coming on. And my begonias came back. Remember how I had them separated and put in those? And look, my cypress vines are blooming. Look here. There's a bloom. Let's see. Here's a bloom. Another bloom. Those blooms closed up. And here's my impatiens. Well, I tell you what, you can't stop these impatiens. They grow like weeds almost, but they're pretty weeds. They're weeds. There's my petunias. I think that those turned out pretty too. And my herbs didn't do so good this year. I usually do best with herbs, but I guess I didn't take care of them enough. So I'm gonna have to go with dry herbs again. I'd rather not, but that's the my patio garden thus far. Hope you like it.